Look who's joining us today to play Play-Doh. It's the Bluey Heeler Family. We have Chilli, Bluey, Bingo, and Bandit. This is going to be so much fun. Look at all of the beautiful Play-Doh colors. Can you count them with me? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different colors of Play-Doh to play with. Let's get started. Chilli is up first. She loves the color pink. Let's get our lavender rolling pin and start rolling out the dough. Look at our Chilli Play-Doh cutter. So fun! Let's press our cutter into the dough. It's time to pull the cutters out of the dough. I can't wait to see what Chilli looks like. Wiggle! Wiggle! Play! Wow! It's a pink Play-Doh Chilli! So neat! Up next we have Bandit. Bandit loves the color green. We have our lavender rolling pin. Let's start rolling. Look at our bandit-shaped cutter. This is going to be so fun. Let's press our cutter into the dough. Time to pull the cutter out of the Play-Doh. Whoa! It's a green Play-Doh Bandit! I'm pretty sure he's dancing. Now it's Bluey's turn. Bluey's favorite color is blue. Here's our lavender rolling pin. Let's start rolling the dough. Look at our Bluey-shaped cutter. She's so fun. Let's press our cutter into the dough. I can't wait to see what Bluey looks like. It's time to pull our cutter out of the Play-Doh. Look! It's a blue Play-Doh Bluey! This is so neat! Last but not least, it's Bingo's turn. Bingo's favorite color is orange. We have our lavender rolling pin. Let's get rolling. Here's our bingo-shaped cutter. These cutters are all so fun. It's time to press the cutter into the dough. Let's pull our cutter out of the Play-Doh. Wow! We made an orange Play-Doh bingo! She looks so fun! That was so much fun, making all of the Bluey Heeler Family characters with their favorite colored Play-Doh. Thanks for playing with us, Chilli, Bluey, Bingo, and Bandit. Thanks for watching, friends. See you next time.